So for those of you who don't know us, this is
IIY, right? It's how we roll SDG. Ina E initials IIY.
and I'm Ricardo Najera. We're both part of the digital IT team. And this year we were, I guess, give the opportunity to work with all of you in, brainstorming and creating this hackathon idea. So we collaborated with all, the teams and a lot of folks across different groups to bring this idea together. And for today, we're going to be facilitating and go over the session. So with that, Ina, take it away.
Again, my name is Ina. For those of you who don't know me, I am a BSA on the digital IT team. Ricardo, my partner, also happens to be my boss. We also have John Lee, our senior manager, who is also one of the biggest supporters of innovation and hackathon on the IT side of things. We'd like to welcome you. I know you're here eager to meet the real talent who are sitting here to see what they did in just 2 days. But before that, Ricardo and I like to spend just a few minutes to take you on a journey of the hackathon. So we started hackathon 2 years ago out of this simple question, right? We want to find a small group of us on the IT side of things. We partnered up with John Lee. We want to find answers for the simple question. How might we foster an innovative culture here where people, as associates, feel empowered to impact business with technology? So we started this conversation about 2 years ago. Out of that conversation, we conceptualized the hackathon idea. We know that's a challenging question to answer, but to get the ball rolling as a first step, we want to ignite the innovation on our team. So we figured hackathon, hey, if it works in Facebook, at Facebook, it probably works here, right? So we kicked off our first hackathon in 2015. We had a humble and organic start where we had about 8 teams participating, 40 participants, just purely on the IT side of things. So things went way well beyond our expectation. So we have 8 teams participating, 40 associates out of 50 associates. So the participation is pretty high, I would say. So just bring you a couple highlights out of the first year's event. Out of the 8 teams participated, we were able to move the winning idea, which is disclosure caching strategy, into almost production. We added to the product backlog. The reason it's not in production because, as you know, technology changes at a rapid speed. By the time after the team came up with this idea, we realized a better solution and actually a cheaper solution, right? So we decided keep this in the backlog. Maybe an idea will inspire us. The idea will be used by other projects instead of just rolling that idea to production. On the technology side of things, it's pretty impressive. Chef is an open source technology that automates infrastructure management. We were able to use that technology in a project called DPaaS. Second of all, single page application. Those of you who work on DSD project, you probably have seen it already. What it does is it's a modern web application that provides very rich user experience, but it gives you a similar experience as a desktop application. We use that technology in multiple DS projects, as I mentioned. We also implemented AngularJS as a JavaScript framework in multiple projects. We also started iOS development on the IT side of things. Okay. So we always say hackathon, it's fun, it's really engaging, but it's more than just a fun event. Besides ideas and technology, we're able to move the hackathon spirit into everyday work. What does that mean, right? We'll speak more to what hackathon spirit is in our mind. But out of that, what we did is we identified and rolled out a technology product ownership program. And we started a new team a team of 3, John Lee, Ricardo, and Ina. Probably only one person who does real work, right? So this technology, the new team is called Digital Emerging Technology Team. This team is tasked to do only 2 things. One is advanced technology, as we mentioned here. But one way to do that is through technology product ownership program. Hi, Diane.
Hey, how's it going?
Glad to see you. We just started.
Okay.
Then the second thing the team is tasked to do, which is innovation, incubation. That's where you see one way we're doing that is doing through hackathon event. So we had a great turnout the first year. We decided to do, again, Ricardo, right? This year we expanded. We expanded to other teams in ITG. You see those names mentioned here. We also invited our founder, UX people. Some of these great UX team members are sitting with our team right there. You will see their creativity in a few minutes. Ricardo, I'm going to turn it up to you. Maybe you can talk about this year's event.
Yeah, so as Ina mentioned, this year we went beyond the achievements we did in the first year. We actually had planned for about the same size of participants as the first year, and at one point we were concerned that we're going to run out of room. We had one room scheduled for the event, and it was supposed to fit only 40 people. Well, we had 61. And for those of you who were there, I know it was a little intense. We had not a lot of elbow room, and but it was a great atmosphere. And actually, I participated in the hackathon. I was part of a team. And getting into the event, I was thinking, this is going to be so much fun. We're going to be just telling jokes and having fun. And being in there was so intense, and everyone was so focused. And I had no choice than just be focused and work with my team, which was great.
Your team is judged fairly, right?
I still have some follow-ups to do on that one. We have 12 teams who have great ideas coming up. The 12 teams, we had integrations with Adobe and Salesforce. We had integration PPMC and Salesforce and the advisor side. Utilizing new technology for us, which is AM Forms. There was a prototype for AM Mobile, integrations with Adobe Site Catalyst and social media. From a new technology perspective, voice recognition that we're going to see in a few minutes was one that created a lot of noise around the event. And then optical character recognition, which we also have as part of the demo. We had a great, from a presentation perspective, I think the presentations were so creative and created this great environment during the hackathon showcase at the end of the event. We had a data visualization team that we're going to present today as well. And then our QM team presented a new testing automation framework, which they wrapped all along as they were going through the slides, which was excellent. So with that, to give you a little bit of taste of what happened during the hackathon, we have 4 teams who are going to be presenting today. We have the Feds, who are going to be presenting their data visualization prototype. We have Cloud Cowboys, who are going to be presenting their Salesforce.com integration with the advisor site. And they were the winners of the Business Value Award. We have Too Legit to Quit, which is the team who won the Technical Achievement Award. And last but not least, we have winners of the hackathon, Jarvis team, which won the Innovation Award, the People's Choice Award, and the overall winner award.